Here you go. Fresh picked off the vine.
Thank you. Wonderful. The other guard, Ethan, I think his name was. Perfectly acceptable, but if I'm going to have someone stuck to me like a barnacle, I prefer a woman. You are free to speak, you know.
Sorry, I'm not used to chit-chat while in detail.
Of course. Pleasantries between the classes are frowned upon in Vega. All this subjugation, you must find it exhausting.
We can't all live on a beach, ma'am.
Walk alongside me, Sergeant. I hate talking over my shoulder. My little sister used to sneak up behind me and pull my hair. It drove me mad.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Tell me, do the famed walls of Vega make you feel safe?
We're all still here, aren't we?
You know, in Helena, you'd be more than a soldier. Much more.
Why would I want more? I like my job. I like Vega. City of women. I think I'll get bored.
Oh, I guarantee you wouldn't get bored.
Agree?
Not allowed to eat, are you?
Not while on duty.
Then consider me a bad influence.